The population of overweight adults has now reached 1 billion, of which 300,000 are suffering from obesity. By far, WHO considers adolescent obesity to be an epidemic of global proportion. This phenomenon has affected both developed and developing countries. Obesity is considered as one of the major causes of hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, certain type of cancer, and type 2 diabetes mellitus. The changing diet patterns, inactive lifestyles and the absence of healthy recreational facilities in the community have been identified as the causes of adolescent obesity. Obesity is determined through measuring the body mass index of a person, which means that the weight in kilograms is divided by the square of height in meters kg per meter square. A person is considered obese if the BMI reaches above 30 kilograms per meter square. If the BMI is more than 25 kilograms per meter square but below 30 kilograms per meter square, the person is already overweight. As BMI increases, the likelihood of acquiring health-related risks conversely increase. If the population of adolescent obesity continues to balloon, it is expected that more adults will be suffering from the dreadful and debilitating health effects of obesity. Psychological and social problems are likewise adverse effects of obesity, specifically adolescent obesity. Obese adults more often than not withdraw themselves from social groups for fear of ridicule. They develop a low self-esteem because being fat or obese is considered unattractive. They are often the source of jokes among their peers. The longer they experience alienation from their age group, the more they succumb to depression, which may pose another health problem. Being fat is not socially bad after all, but if this line of thinking should be supported, many adults will be suffering from depression and other health problems. One contributing factor to the rising number of obese adults is the media. Adults are bombarded with so many information regarding lifestyle foods. Quick-service restaurants are mushrooming in highly urbanized cities around the globe that mostly cater to the youth sector. Dishes that are cooked with high saturated fat, that is of animal-based, and high in sugar content are also a major factor of obesity. Young have more time spent watching television's program or playing games with their computers than playing a more physical recreational activities. More than anything else, obese adults need support in keeping and maintaining their ideal body weight. Any weight-reducing diets, programs or weight loss exercise course of therapy may prove futile if not followed strictly. Support from their significant others plays a vital role to curbing obesity among them by helping them to have self-discipline and achieving their goal to become healthy and physically fit.